Welcome to Silkytreat Channel, easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe prepared in 1 hour start to finish. Salmon cream of spinach mashed potatoes gratin. Ingredients: 120 grams of fresh salmon with the skin left on one side, mashed potatoes, see my previous video for that recipe, grated cheese, fresh whipped cream 30%, butter, salt, pepper, nutmeg, extra virgin oil. Preparation: in salted water, boil the potatoes for 20 minutes, remove the water, add butter, pepper, nutmeg, mash the potatoes, clean the spinach leaves, cook them in butter for 4 minutes, insert in a blender, then back in a pot, add salt, pepper, nutmeg, fresh whipped cream and cook on low heat for another 3 minutes. In a pan, add extra virgin oil and the salmon, add salt and pepper on both sides. Cook to your liking. While it is cooking, I remove the skin and continue to cook the salmon, making the skin crispy. In a small container, insert the mashed potatoes, add grated cheese on top and insert in the oven with grill selected for 5 minutes or until the cheese get a nice coloring. All ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.